still go. I never.
हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। तो गाइस, आज की व्लॉग हर बारी व्लॉग से बिल्कुल अलग होनी वाली है। तो इसमें करने क्या वाले हैं, आज हमारा कॉलेज में होने वाला है हमारा डिबेट कंपटीशन, जो कि करवा रही है हमारी बर्ड सोसाइटी। जैसे कि देख सकते हो, ये है बर्ड्स का लोगो और ये है मेरा पीछे नाम। तो गाइज अब चलते हैं, पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिखाएंगे भाई क्या क्या होने वाला है, एकदम मौज आ जाएगी। तो गाइज आज का हमारा जो ये डिबेट कंपटीशन होने वाला है, ये है साइफर ऑफ माइंड्स। ये हमारी करवा रही है बर्ड सोसाइटी इन एसोसिएशन विद सैक, स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी काउंसिल। तो गाइज ये क्या है, हमारा सेमिनार हॉल डी ब्लॉक में आज होने वाला है 25 मार्च के अंदर। तो गाइज अब क्या दूसरे हमारे टीममेट से पूछते हैं, वो तुम्हें सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देगा। चलो उसके पास चलते हैं।
So hello everyone. So I'm also the member of Bird Society, and today we are organizing this event, Cipher of Mind. So basically it is a debate event, but usually when we hear a debate event, we thought that it would be boring, but we have unfolded a great twist in this. So in this, what we are going to do, we are assigning you some of the characters, well-known characters. They might be fictional or they might be historical, and you have to show your voice through their perspective, and you have to live their character, and then you have to do the debate. So it will be a great experience, and I think those who have registered and those who are going to enroll in this, they will have a great experience.
चलो तो गाइज यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारी रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क है। तो अब रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क के पास चलते हैं, बाकी इन्फॉर्मेशन ये लोग देंगे। तो रजिस्ट्रेशन में कैसे क्या प्रोसेस है?
ये है कि भाई जब अभी लोग आने वाले हैं हमारे, जैसे भी स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे तो उसके बाद हम रजिस्टर करेंगे, उसके बाद हम उनको चिट्स देंगे, प्रोवाइड करेंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद एक होगा अगेंस्ट, एक होगा फॉर, फिर उसी हिसाब से आगे कॉम्पिटिशन।
अच्छा, तो हमारे पास क्या रजिस्ट्रेशन की पूरी मतलब स्टूडेंट्स की लिस्ट होगी?
बिल्कुल।
और कोई एक्स्ट्रा नहीं आ सकता ना?
नहीं, कोई एक्स्ट्रा नहीं आ सकता।
क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 150 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशंस हो
इस
चुके
बार
हैं।
हमारे काफी अच्छे रजिस्ट्रेशंस आए हैं।
हाँ, और बेसिकली ये है कि फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व, और ये चिट्स हैं, मेरे पास 4 की है, हर्षित के पास अगेंस्ट की है।
बहुत लिमिटेड चिट्स है, तो फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे रहेगा।
ये सही है, सबसे बेस्ट है।
एंड वी विल हैव 30 pairs because we have 30 chits,
Which means 60 participants are allowed.
Okay, 60 participants are only allowed.
and it will be fun.
Okay, thank you.
वो आरपी श्रीवास्तव एक दवारा तो बर्ड सोसाइटी कोई तो आरकेजीआईटी की बेस्ट सोसाइटी है, हमारे कॉलेज की सबसे अच्छी सोसाइटी लिटरेरी सोसाइटी है।
And all of them are working for encouraging enhancement of knowledge of the students, give them practical exposure and also shape their personality.
Just because your family is in politics isn't justified. Imagine seeing Virat Kohli all of your life and thinking you will become a cricketer. No, that doesn't happen. You always had a head start but didn't show.
I would like to conclude his points and my points with the
personal and society attachment. Dharma is good for universal, but it's sometimes hard. Dharma and emotional can be real able together. Dharma always stands for right things and to make personal against. Dharma can be hard some emotional things and situations, but after result dharma stands for good success in real life. A person who followed the dharma is always a good person after the result. Dharma makes
judges, faculty members, my seniors and my fellow mates. I'm Sarah, and today I stand against the topic that personal attachments. That dharma should not be against personal attachment. And I speak through the voice of Kekai, Queen Kekai, a woman often misunderstood by history. Now let me ask you a simple question. What is dharma if it breaks and destroys the relationships? That is the very core of righteousness. What if the relationship that we believe from our heart is destroyed? And I use them, one for Ram's exile and the other to demand the throne for my son Bharat. But what did I get in return? My son refused to accept the throne. My husband, King Dashrath, died in grief. And I was
supporting and helping others. Yes, doctors definitely do need knowledge, a great amount of knowledge, and practice for years to treat the humans. But when patients enter the hospital, they do not just enter because they are physically sick, but they come and they enter with the scariness in their eyes, with hopes.
And today I'm here firmly.
a person that is good in real life. According to me, I'm spiritual very much. So I think that if you're a person that is good in real life and in social media, then that is good for you. Why change your persona to depict something that is not true? Imagine for a perspective that you're at an airport and a child approaches you, he's talking to you, he's seen your videos, approached you to ask about what
you're speaking in a roasting way. But in real life, you cannot depict the same thing. You should be respectful to everyone, have a good moral character, enjoy with your friends.
My point is, if you're a person that is good, why not show it online? And if you can't show your personality that is with your family, to your friends, what are you influencing people on? Are you influencing people to be spiritual when you're a bad person? Are you increasing the democracy? Are you decreasing that? Are you creating the bad person right now? If you're an influencer, or the people that watch you, and being a good person means showing it, and if you're not, then you should stop right there.
First of all, be a good all-rounder in your life. Have friends, have good connections with your family members. But remember, there is one boundary which you have for your seniors, for your fellow mates, which is needed to be respected with everyone. Always have faith in yourself, live your life, be excited, be motivated, and keep doing your hard work. If I can reach those 30+ million followers in my Instagram page and my YouTube page, so can you. Live your life. Thank you.
Very pleasant afternoon to one and all present here. I am Bhakti Goyal as Sudhanshu Trivedi with topic in 4 of the motion, does journalists serve the biasness in today's media? So, journalism.
Good afternoon everyone, respected judges, my worthy opponent and everyone present here. Today, I am against the motion. My topic is, does journalism serve the unbiasedness in today's media? And I'm acting like Dhruv Rathi.
But yes, my worthy opponent just proved herself right, that yes, the brain should be the one to command your life. Because guess who makes your worst decision better? Yes, it's me. I am the one who makes you believe that, oh my God, I did it better. I did trust my brain and tick the boxes off. I am the one who makes sure that you do not regret whatever impulsive decisions you make. So yes, my worthy opponent just made it a lot easier for me and did it for herself. That you should always trust your brain to command the senses of your life, because guess who you are, who made you so perfect to walk, talk, reason, logic, command and calculate. Yes, it's me. I am the brain. I am here to make your life easier and, well, make your worst decisions better. Let you not cry over the spilled milk. Thank you.
Okay, so I just want to conclude that it's true that I should not hold the remote control of life, because heart give you love, emotion, and it consists of love, emotions. It should not control the life, because life needs clarity, strength and logic, which heart don't have. So I want to say thank you. Feel with me, but don't follow me blind.
I would like to conclude by saying that my worthy opponent Mansi is such a great artist herself. She is such a great dancer and yet a good speaker, as we all saw it. But she is pursuing the smartest degree of India called engineering. So I guess we all can, see it as an example who chose who to command their life. And I guess, well, it was me, the brain. Thank you everyone.
We were sparks on quiet streets, 2 hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
मजा आ रहा है?
मेरा भी छीन लिया, इतना मजा आ रहा है
सच में? अच्छा चलो खाओ। तुम बताओ भाई, कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
भाई बहुत मजा आई।
और
तुम कैसे हो?
बस बढ़िया। कौन सी मीठी चाहिए यार? ज्यादा मीठी हो जाएगी फिर। काम भाई हमारे चटनी
कुछ तो हो जाता है फिर।
तुमको समोसा मिला? मैं नहीं लेने का समोसा, मेरा व्रत है आज। हाँ
देखो बढ़िया समोसा है भाई, एकदम कुरकुरा समोसा है।
बिल्कुल। गाइज आज का हमारा बर्ड्स का इवेंट एकदम परफेक्टली सक्सेसफुली हो चुका है कंप्लीट। तो हम पूछते हैं नंदिता, कैसा हुआ आज का हमारा इवेंट?
एकदम फाड़ू।
मजा आया?
बहुत मजा आया।
हमारी कोई गड़बड़ तो हुआ नहीं, एकदम सारा सक्सेसफुल हो गया।
हाँ सब बढ़िया था गाइज।
वी आर फ्रॉम बर्ड्स।
हमने ऑर्गेनाइज करा था तो अच्छा
हमने
ही
पहली
होगा।
बार ऑर्गेनाइज करा हमारा सेकंड ईयर के अंदर इवेंट।
हाँ।
तो बढ़िया से ऑर्गेनाइज हो चुका है। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग के अंदर। तो नंदिता करना क्या है? चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है।
हाँ, इसके लिए कर देना, एक लाइक भी कर देना।
और कुछ
नहीं।
ओके, थैंक यू।